Hi friends, இப்போ embedded and real time systemல இருக்க some of the MCQ questions in the topic of operating system இந்த 4th unit பார்க்க போறோம். Operating system introduction பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம். So operating system is an interface between the user and the system hardware. So based on the application area நிறைய types இருக்கு operating systemல. அதே நேரத்தில் operating system does not satisfy all the requirements in various applications. Next on the some introduction about the RTOS பத்தியும் பார்க்க போறோம். That is a real time operating system. So this is going to be a special purpose operating system designed for the embedded system. So an RTOS is an OS for response time controlled and event controlled processes. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is going to be defined time constraints. Otherwise system will fail or cause major problem. So two types of real time operating system இருக்கு. ஒன்று பார்த்தீங்கன்னா hard real time system, இன்னொன்று வந்து soft real time system இருக்கு. Soft real time systemல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ இங்கேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த டைமுக்குள்ளே முடிக்கணும். ஒரு டாஸ்க்குன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா அந்த டைமுக்குள்ளே முடிக்கணும். தட் இஸ் எ டெட்லைனுக்குள்ளே முடிக்கணும். ஸோ அதுக்குள்ளே முடிக்க முடியலனாலும் பரவாயில்ல. So that is also wrong, but that is not going to cause the major problem. Example telecom, networks, web services. இதே hard real time systemல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த டைமுக்குள்ளே அந்த டாஸ்க்கை கண்டிப்பாக முடிக்கணும். So time constraint is very very important in the hard real time system. Example பார்த்தீங்கன்னா air traffic control, nuclear power plant control. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துலலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு சின்ன மிஸ்டேக் நடந்தாலும் that is going to cause the major problem. So time constraint is very very important for each task in the hard real time system. Next MCQ questions பார்க்கலாம். First question, which of the following provides a buffer between the user and the low level interfaces to the hardware? So இப்போ தான் introductionல பார்த்தோம் interface between the user and the system hardware. So that is nothing but a operating system. Next question, which of the following enables the user to utilize the system efficiently? So இங்கேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் வந்து operating system தான். So operating system that is going to be a software that enables the users to utilize the system efficiently or effectively. Next question, which of the following can make the application program hardware independent? Again answer C, operating system. So operating system that is going to allows the software to be moved from one system to another. So therefore it can make the application program hardware independent. So hardware வந்து depend பண்ணி இருக்காது. Next question, which of the following speed up the testing process? Answer D, that is a program debugging tools. So the program debugging tools can speed up the testing process, which can make the processor faster. So processor பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும் because of this program debugging tools. Next question, which of the following includes its own input output routine? Answer C, again operating system. So operating system is a software which include its own input output routine in order to drive the serial ports and parallel ports. So answer C, operating system. Next question, which forms the heart of the operating system? So kernel is the heart of the operating system, and also we can say kernel is the part of the operating system, that is OS. So this is going to control the hardware and can deal with the interrupts, input output systems or devices and memory. So answer A, kernel. Next question, which of the following locates a parameter block by using an address pointer? So answer B, kernel. So kernel is the heart or part of the OS, that is operating system, which can control the hardware, and also it can deals with the interrupts, input output system, memory. It can also locate the parameter block by using an address pointer, which is going to be stored in the predetermined address register. Next question, which of the following are not dependent on the actual hardware performing the physical task? Answer D, parameter block. So again the kernel that is going to locate the parameter block by using an address pointer, which is going to be stored in the predetermined address register. So these parameter blocks are standard throughout the OS. So they are not dependent on the actual hardware performing the physical task. ஸோ இங்கேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹார்ட்வேர் டிபெண்டாக இருக்காது. ஸோ ஆன்சர் டி parameter block. Next question, which of the following bus can easily upgrade the system hardware? Answer C, VME bus. The software can be easily moved from one system to another, which is more important for designing the embedded system, especially for those which use an industry standard bus such as VME bus. So VME bus full form is Versa Modular Eurocard Bus, in which the system hardware can be expanded or upgraded. Next question, which of the following is the first widely used operating system? Answer D, CP/M. That is a control program bar monitor, and the latter we can say it is a control program for microcomputers that is created in 1974 for the Intel 8080 or 8085 based on the microcomputers by Gary Kildall. So answer is D, CP/M. Next question, which of the following is an example of a single task operating system? Answer again D, CP/M. That is a control program bar monitor or microcomputer is a single task operating system. So that is only one task we can do at a time, or an application can be executed at a time. So only one task can be done at a time. Next question, which of the following becomes a limiting factor while an application program has to complete? So answer A, memory. So the application program has to complete and the memory becomes a limiting factor which can be solved by using the program overlays. So answer A, memory. Next question, which of the following cannot carry implicit information? So answer A, semaphore. The kernel in the real-time operating system which deals with the flag but cannot carry the implicit information, that is called the semaphore or events. So answer A, semaphore. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.